In this question, we've been given a frequency table and we've been asked to calculate the mean. Whenever you're asked to calculate the mean, you probably instantly think you need to add up lots of numbers and then divide by how many numbers you added up. That's not completely wrong, but there's an extra step we need to take when we're given a frequency table. Let's consider this question. The table shows the number of sweets in 20 bags. So in one bag, there was 23. In 4 of the bags, there was 24. 9, there was 25, and so on. Now let's look at the method that we use to answer this question. The first thing we do is we call this column X, and the frequency column is F. We have to make one additional column on the right hand side, and this is the new part for this question. This is the most important part. What we're doing is we're taking the number in the F column and timesing it by the number in the X column. So when we have 1 and 23, we do 1 times 23, which is 23. 4 times 24 is 96, and so on. So we've created this new FX table. Once we've done that, we can then use this mean from a frequency table formula. We take the total of the FX column, which when you add all these together, you get 503, that's on the top. And we divide that by the total of the F column, which you can either add all these up and it'll add up to 20, or you can just see in the question, it told you that there were 20 bags. So you do 503 divided by 20, which is 25.15 sweets, on average, in each bag. Let's look at another. Robbie played 20 football matches for his school team. The number of goals scored in each game are shown in the table. Use our X column and our F column. So to calculate the mean number of goals scored, we need our FX column. Again, this is mean from a frequency table. FX column, you take the goals and times it by the number of matches. 0 times 3 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, and so on. And then we can use our mean from a frequency table formula. Total FX divided by the total of the F column. Again, this is given in the question. You don't need to add those up. When we add all these, we get 34. 34 divided by 20 is the same as 17 over 10. This might be easier to calculate than this. 17 divided by 10 is 1.7. So our answer is 1.7 goals. And choose the third and final example. Lily visits an arcade while on holiday in Weston-super-Mare. She plays 100 games and wins tickets that she can exchange for prizes. The table shows the results, the number of tickets won, and how many times she won that number of tickets. Work out the total of tickets won. So this is just working out that in two games she won no tickets, 11 games she won 1. By doing all our FX column and add it to 338, that gives our first answer. Second part of the question, calculate the mean. So again, using that formula, the mean is total FX over the total of the Fs. We add up the FX, we get 338. We don't need to add up this column because it's given in the question. 338 divided by 100 is 3.38.